Do you wonder how other organizations like yours are automating their data centers? We spoke with people from around the world. We asked them about the things that mattered to them, the things they've learned, and what they'd do differently. Then we asked just how automated is your data center? And how does it vary across different types of organizations? What's stopping you automating more? What tools do you use today, and where do they come from? What prevents them from being more effective? What's the difference between building your own DIY tools and using third-party vendors? Third-party tools mean less cost, less effort, less staff, less intervention. So that's why only 3% of people felt they'd made the right decision to adopt their own tools, and 53% said that they would choose a third-party vendor. Find out more about how your data center operations stack up and how to improve them now.